Na ano ba buong kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Dolce Mamma or the Sweet Mama for sending us another treats for us this afternoon. If you're interested to know more about their products, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Dolce Mamma, flashing on your screens right now. And of course, I'm gonna introduce these treats to you one by one. Pero papartnerin natin yan ng mainit na kape. Wow, grabe guys. If you're just, sitting with me, the aroma of freshly baked delights as well as, these desserts. So, let's get into it. Let's start with the treats on my right. So, meron po tayo ditong cinnamon rolls. Meron din naman tayo ditong twisted cinnamon rolls. And then on my left, meron tayo ditong mga iba-ibang flavors ng mga ice cream cakes. So, this is Black Forest ice cream cake. Yan. We also have cotton candy ice cream cake. Mango ice cream cake. Meron din tayo ditong cookies and cream which is in a different, size. This is a small tub. Ayan. We also have strawberries. Ayan. And then this large size tub right here is called crema de fruta. Ayan guys. Grabe. Now for these cup size ice cream cakes, so these are available and as an alternative to your, normal cupcakes sa mga birthday parties. So these are also available. So if you want these available sa mga parties ninyo, make sure to check them out sa fan page po nila. I'm gonna try now I'm gonna try this cookies and cream. Tikman natin. As I mentioned guys, if you have been following me, I'm a big fan of, cookies and cream, Oreo cookies and cream. I am so much delighted with this cookies and cream rolls. Grabe. Ang sarap ternohan ng mainit na kape. I gotta move on and try this twisted cinnamon rolls naman nila. They look really gorgeous. Let's just taste it. All I can say is wow guys. It's not too sweet. Napakabango nung amoy ng cinnamon nila. It's really, like I said, the smell of the cinnamon is just all over this room. But if you are to ask me guys kung sinong pipiliin ko sa dalawa, I'm gonna go for the cookies and cream. Of course, medyo bias ako dyan. We're gonna have another, bite before we move on. Alright, so let's move on to their ice cream cakes. I wanna try first itong mango ice cream cake natin. Again, this is how it looks like. So, on top is, a real ice cream. And then, at the bottom, an actual cake. Yan, so, tikman natin to. Yeah. Wow, so refreshing. It's, again, it's so tropical. It has a fruity flavor, which is, of course, our mango. Ang sarap. Next I wanna try is yung kanilang, this is the cotton candy flavor. I'm sure guys, your kids are gonna love this one. Oh wow. So again guys, if you order this one, make sure to consume it as early as possible or you got to, keep them refrigerated para hindi malusaw yung natin, yung ice cream natin dyan. Now I wanna try yung kanilang crema de fruta flavored ice cream cake. This time I wanna get in a really huge portion. Check this out. Let's taste it. Like they say, it's something worth to crave for. Grabe. Lastly to taste, I wanna try this really eye-appetizing dessert here. Itong tinatawag nilang Black Forest. Of course, you have your dark chocolate on top plus cherry. And then again, meron tayong ice cream mixture. Just show you guys how it looks like. Tikman na natin. Cherry natin on top. Bravo, super bravo. Again, I have to mention guys, yung pong mga ice cream cake natin on cup, an alternative to your regular birthday cupcakes. Make them extra special or extraordinary. Overall guys, if you are to ask me which dessert or treat am I going to spend my time with for the the rest of the vlog or most of the time, I'm gonna go for this one, crema de fruta. It is so satisfying. So guys, I want you to experience Dolce Mamma as well. Make sure to check their fan page. Make sure to coordinate with them on how you can order and do the delivery or the meetup. Make sure to contact them or message them on their fan page. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, which is I'm pretty sure you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe guys, stay at home, and God bless us all. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye bye.